Hi guys, hello. I wanted to do an unboxing video, but then I was discouraged to do it because I'm just really tired today. Today is Monday morning and I'm really tired. You know how it is. But then when I opened the package and I saw this, I said no, I'm going to make a video. Shein, what is this? I bought this thing for my baby because it's supposed to be thick because of the weather, because he doesn't like it when I use when I cover him with thick clothes or duvet. He doesn't like it. He likes to sleep without any covering, so I'm trying to get something cozy for him to wear to sleep. And then I saw this and I ordered it, and see, very, very soft. This one cannot do anything now. Look at the one I ordered from, the one I bought from Primark. See how thick it is. Very thick. I used to wear this for him when we are going out. Very, very thick. But this one now, what am I going to do with this one? I don't know. Very sad. Okay, just one layer. No problem. We'll manage it. I got some other things. I got a bag because for my baby too. Because when I resume work, I need a bag to pack. If I'm taking him to daycare, I need a bag to pack his food and pampers and clothes. I hope this one is okay, Sha. I hope it's okay. Because this one, I saw it online, it was really nice. This is not my first time of ordering things from Shein, and they usually deliver well, but I don't know what happened this time around. Oh, mommy bag. Mommy bag. Well, it's not looking bad, it's looking okay. There's lots of space. Oh, there's a lot of space. I think you can put a warm formula bottle, breast milk bottle here to keep it warm. And then I think this place is for wipes. If you put in your wipes, you can just, you don't need to bring the wipes out. You can just be picking the wipes from here. I think that was exactly why I bought this thing, because of this feature. It has lots of space. Let's open inside. Guys, it's okay. It's lovely. It's lovely. So I'm going to be using this one for, where is this place dirty now? I'll just clean it. I'm going to be using this one for daycare, for pampers, formula, clothes, everything it needs for the day, toys, socks and all that. Yeah, this one is worth the price. I can't remember the price. Maybe £6-7. I'm not sure, but it's not so expensive. It's not so expensive, and it's worth it. At least we use this one for a long time. It's worth it. Yeah. So what's the next thing? Oh yeah, this should be my jewelry box. I ordered some jewelry from Shein sometimes last month. So I realized I need a jewelry box. So is this a jewelry box? No, this is not the jewelry box. Oh, my shadow. Oh, guys, this is really lovely. I've not opened it, but it looks nice. It looks nice. Let's see. So guys, we went out yesterday for Christmas outing, and it was lovely. We saw a choir that sang beautifully. Oh, this is nice. Nice package. Oh, guys, look at this. It's lovely. It's lovely. Wow. Well, this is not expensive at all. Maybe like £2. And it's nice. Okay, that's that about that. What else? Oh yeah, I ordered sets of comb because I don't have combs. I need. Oh yeah, thank God they brought. Oh, this is nice. This is lovely. Oh guys, this is really lovely. This comb is like, I'll try and put the price while I'm editing the video. This comb is like maybe some, honestly I don't know, I can't remember, but it's not expensive. It's not expensive, maybe £2. I'm not even sure it's up to £2, but I'll use it to comb my hair, to comb my wig, to style my wig. So I ordered some other things from Shein for my hair, for my wigs. I ordered a lot of things. When they arrive, I'll show you guys. This is the first batch of the things I ordered, and it took a very long time. I think it's because of the festive season, so it took a very long time, almost a month before I got this thing. So I'm expecting the second and the third batch, but this is really worth the price. 10 pieces of comb. Nice. And then I got this thing for paper towel. Is that what they call it? The kitchen roll, the one we use to clean in the kitchen. I got this, so I'll put the prices when I'm editing the video. What else? Oh, is this what I think it is? Yeah, my set of makeup brushes. Oh, nice. I bought about 15 pieces of makeup brushes, and this came with it. Oh, and this is so cheap, very cheap, guys. I'll try as much as possible to put the price when I'm editing the video. I'll try. It's lovely. So I had a whole pack of makeup brushes. It was a gift. I got it as a gift some years back, like 6 years ago, and I just threw it away this month or last month because I just felt like they were old and I needed a new one. It's almost the same color as this, so I decided to buy new brushes from Shein for my makeup because I got some makeup products. I've not been applying makeup on my face for a very long time because the makeup I brought from Nigeria, I feel like they are not good anymore. I don't know, it just feels weird on my face, so I decided to just leave my face, and then I just got some new makeup products, and this is my new set of brushes. Very affordable, very cheap. I'm not even sure it's up to £1, but like I said, I'll put the prices when I'm editing the video. So that is that about that. And the last thing should be my jewelry box. Yeah, my jewelry box, so I can pack all my jewelry inside one place. Yeah, not bad. What do you guys think? I can put my earrings and my rings. This is for neck chain because I worked in the jewelry store. I worked in 2 jewelry stores, so this is for neck chain. These are for earrings. I think you can use this too for rings and earrings, but this particularly is for neck chain. You just hang it on this. So everything I got now is about roughly 30 something pounds. I'm not sure really, I don't want to guess. I'll try and look for the price and I'll add it to this video when I'm editing it. So yeah, that's all for the first batch. I'm expecting the second batch. I bought quite a lot of things, but I'm not pleased with this thing. Honestly, I'm not pleased. I was really looking forward to it. for my son. He will use it to sleep, sha. At least inside is not as cold as outside, right? So I'll just wait for him once to see if it will work for him to sleep at night, so that I don't have to cover him with clothes or anything, because he doesn't like it. He doesn't like it if you cover him with clothes or anything. He just likes to sleep like that. So I'll try it, but honestly, I expected this thing to be thicker than this. I'm really disappointed with this one, but for every other thing, it's lovely, especially this. So this is so nice, guys, so nice. So yes, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. I think this is my first unboxing video. I'll try better next time. I'm hiding in the corner because my son is sleeping. I don't want to wake him up. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.